Okay, back to him again. Sorry for that big gap. I really have to pay attention to my camera. I have no idea what the time set on this thing. Probably like 2 minutes or something. Which sucks. So anyways, I started battling this guy right here. And he's dead now. And just as I said in the last game, I am not doing that glitch. You know why? Because I don't feel like it. It is fun to do though. Anyways, Shine Sprite, get! Yay! Mario's got a little dirt on his nose. Yay! Anyways, we have nowhere else to go but in there again. Now we will be fighting Petey Piranha. Down with Petey Piranha! And you'll see him right now. His nickname, which I made up, is Mr. Smiley Man. No, actually, I just call him Mr. Smiley. Doing the worm. Whee! Boing. And as you can see, the gate is open, so let's take that way. Shorter. Oh, and there's all this mess here. I'm just gonna clean up some of it. I'm just gonna run by it. Oh, and something thudded. And it was obviously Petey Piranha spitting up a goop ball. Disgusting. Wow. Okay, I just saw that just as it was too late. Yeah, you'll want to do that to get past. Kinda obvious. Oh, you missed again. You really will want to stay in the corner. Trust me. If you do not want to get hurt, stay at the wall. Stay near the wall. Safest. Ah! Do not get stuck here. Ah! Weird. Okay, yeah, there's a glitch. If you get stuck in there, you just keep on sliding and sliding. It's really funny. It happened to me once. Hopefully, yes, it didn't happen. Hooray! You need to use that. And for this too. Just go around it.